Slime, turn that shit on.
I already know how I'm rockin', bitch. Skrt. How my brothers keep. Now you already know what the fuck going on, nigga. Most littest, most richest. Niggas really getting it. I'm my brother's keeper. Play with him, tweak, I'm reaching. I'm my brother's keeper. We beat the odds, that shit feel even. I'm my brother's keeper. I ain't with chit chat, I'm more in the leader. I'm my brother's keeper. It's shit I'm learning from, but I'm still teaching. I don't care about my peers, set examples for my bro. I've been mastering my craft for some years. You can tell by his tongue. When you at the bottom, they don't come near, but when you at the top, they full of cheers. It's cold. Please don't come near. He stepped too close to the throne. Bitch with some kings, these other nigga peasants never could leech. I'm already dead. Every time he speak, the shit get had. Be giving game for free, except he present. Cause he gon' get it one way or another. Feed the fam, stopping the suffering. It's time for supper. I'm my brother's keeper. Play with him, tweak, I'm reaching. I'm my brother's keeper. We beat the odds, that shit feel even. I'm my brother's keeper. I ain't with chit chat, I'm more in the leader. I'm my brother's keeper. It's shit I'm learning from, but I'm still teaching.
I'm tryna stay up out the way. I'm tryna get it out the mud. If them little boys play again, we gon' hit them with them slugs. That little bitch, she play, but I don't get no fuck. I come from a place where we take, so you better hide your stuff. I really hate these niggas. I'm the type of nigga that take you out the picture. You say I'm fake, but nigga, I'm real. I didn't wanna pick up this 50 and hit you with this steel. I got dead aim, hit you, instant kill. Just tryna keep it real and chill, do you feel? It's hard out here, it feel like a hill. It's niggas out here, all they know is drill. They wanna kill, they can't sit still, This shit for real, This shit for real, This shit for real,
I'm my brother's keeper. Play with him, tweak, I'm reaching. I'm my brother's keeper. We beat the odds, that shit feel even. I'm my brother's keeper. I ain't with chit chat, I'm more in the leader. I'm my brother's keeper. It's shit I'm learning from, but I'm still teaching.
Wish I was at the stage where I never had to struggle.
Don't worry about shit, it come together like a puzzle.
I'm always hustling this shit off the muscle.
He ride with the toast, but don't mind tussling.
He said he a goat, and nigga, I'm chuckling.
Just let me hush.
He the other side, nigga, and this fuck.
Most these niggas be pussy, be hard to trust.
Be with the same niggas, I love them.
I know that the niggas that's with me won't switch.
Life hard, shit feel like a ditch.
But I made my way out and they know that I'm him.
I'm a gold nigga, I'ma be rich.
Lottery pick, not honorable mix.
Real nigga ain't gotta ride with a stick.
Lit at the big bro, just stay out the mix.
I was good, then hopped in the mix.
It's all good, we all make mistakes. The best thing about problems is that they get fixed. That boy Taylor made, he was paved to fit into the shit that make him gifted. Played his position with plenty precision. He stood on his business and kept his vision. That shit turned him vicious. Not religious, but don't play with Christian, cuz I'm my brother's keeper. Play with him, tweak, I'm reaching. I'm my brother's keeper. We beat the odds, that shit feel even. I'm my brother's keeper. I ain't with chit chat, I'm more in the leader. I'm my brother's keeper. This shit I'm learning from, but I'm still teaching. I'm my brother's keeper. 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 I'm my brother's keeper.